Model, 2019 Peugeot Expert Standard Diesel 1000 1.6 BlueHDi 115 Professional Van Bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 95,459. MOT, the 18th of August 2024. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 FCU. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner timing belt snapped, very simple easy repair for someone, gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows, air con, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear.